welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to adopt a pet. I'm going to get ready first before I'm going to go outside. I'm going to do my makeup first. I'm done now. I'm going to change my clothes now. I'm also done now. I'm just gonna get my money and now I'm gonna go. Got my money now. Let's go. Finally here. Where do I go? Animal rescue. Over here. Wow, there's a lot of cute cats and dogs. Hey miss, welcome. What's your name? It's Candy and I'm here to adopt a cat. Alright, Candy. Yes, Candy. You're here to adopt a pet cat, right? Yes. Which animal do you want? Here's a gray kitten, a brown cat, a, and a dark brown cat. And over here are a gray cat, a brown cat, and a light brown cat. That's all the cats we have. Which cat do you want? I'll take the gray kitten. Here's the money, by the way. Thank you. Here's the change. Alright. Have fun with your new cat. Yes, and thank you. Bye. This is going to be my cat's room. You stay here. I'm just going to design your room. I'm done. Come here. I'm going to put your name up here. And also, I'm going to name you Heather. Heather's room. Room tour. Heather's room. Here is her litter stand. This is her food. And this is her cat tree. And also, she has bunk bed. She can sleep here or even here. I placed her on her bed. And I think that's all for today, guys. Goodbye. Okay, so maybe y'all are wondering, why did I recreate this? Why did I do it again? Well, Brookhaven had an update where they had a pet shelter and a vet. So obviously I saw one on TikTok and I saw, where's that location? Where is it? Then I went to Brookhaven to see for myself and now I saw it. I figured it out. That's why I used an apartment where I got Heather from the first place. It's because there was no pet for adoption center for pets. So that's why I used an apartment, guys. I really don't know how to explain this, so guys, I just hope you understand, guys. Goodbye.